Starting to see more of the road now for a minute.
Yeah, 10-4. Let's go to Westerville.
Where's that?
About 9 miles north of here. The only town in South Dakota that's got a strip club on one end and the other end of town.
What the hell would I want to go to one of them for?
Well, I don't know.
I don't need to be paying nobody. You get me hornier than I already am, right?
Yeah, 4.